everyone, welcome back. If you placed an order by mistake, you may still be able to cancel it. First, open the SHEIN app and then go to the account section. After that, you're going to tap on the My Orders and then select the order you want to cancel. Then, if the cancel option is available, tap cancel order and confirm. If the order has already shipped, cancellation will not be available and you need to return it after the delivery. Then check the order status carefully before trying to cancel, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.